Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential details so steps match your phone. Open Settings now. Make sure no VPN or data saver is active because they can hide app traffic. Once in Settings, go to Connections or Apps. One UI labels vary. You need to locate the specific app you want to restrict, so tap Apps and scroll or search. This first action targets the app directly. Doing it now saves time and prevents accidental global network changes later. Once you've opened the app page, tap Mobile Data and Wi-Fi to see network controls. Turn off both mobile data and Wi-Fi toggles to block all internet access for that app. This stops foreground and background traffic. If you prefer partial blocking, use Data Saver and remove the app from allowed exceptions. That blocks background data, but keeps foreground functions when you actively use the app. Make sure changes are saved automatically. Samsung applies these toggles instantly. Finally, test the restriction by opening the app. If content fails to load, the block worked. If it still connects, reboot the phone. Sometimes system services need a restart. Also inspect Smart Manager, carrier settings, or third-party firewall/antivirus apps that can override toggles. If an app persistently bypasses restrictions, clear app cache and data, or disable the app until you apply stricter controls. One key tip: if things go wrong, re-enable toggles and reboot before retrying changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.